You have a long article, a script, or just a simple idea. And within minutes, it turns into a professional looking video with AI doing almost all the work. Sounds unbelievable? That's exactly what Pictory AI promises. But is it actually worth your time? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into Pictory AI, one of the most popular AI video creation platforms. I'll show you how to sign up, what features you get, what I liked, what could be better, and whether it's worth using for YouTube, social media, or business videos. First, visit the official Pictory AI website and click sign up. You can create an account using your Google account or email address. After verifying your account and logging in, you'll land on a clean and beginner-friendly dashboard where all the main tools are clearly organized. Pictory AI gives you several powerful options. You can convert a text prompt, blog post, or full script into a complete video. It automatically selects stock footage, adds smooth transitions, generates subtitles, and even includes realistic AI voiceovers. You can also upload your own media, change colors, edit scenes, and customize every part of the video without needing professional editing skills. One feature I really like is the automatic caption generator. It creates accurate subtitles in just a few clicks, making your videos more engaging and easier to watch on any platform. The built-in media library is another big advantage because you don't have to spend hours searching for visuals. In terms of speed, Pictory AI performs very well. The interface is simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for experienced creators. The video quality looks professional, and the editing process is much faster than traditional software. The only downside is that some advanced features and higher export limits require a paid subscription. However, the free version is still a great way to test the platform before upgrading. So, is Pictory AI worth it? If you're a YouTuber, content creator, marketer, or someone who wants to create videos quickly without advanced editing experience, my answer is yes. It saves time, simplifies video production, and produces impressive results. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.